Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Learn Korean. Today, we'll be learning the differences of two ways of future tense, 게, 게요, 거야, 거예요. There are two common ways to express future tense in speaking. 게, 거야, as a casual version, 게요, 거예요, as a polite version. One thing in common would be the pronunciation. 게, 거 are often pronounced as 게, 거. For example, if they are combined with 하다, they become like this. And they are pronounced 할게, 할게요, 할 거야, 할 거예요. 게, 게요. They are used only when the subject is I or we, even if they are not mentioned. On the other hand, 거야, 거예요 can be used with any subject. For example, 내가 할게, 내가 할 거야. 우리가 할게, 우리가 할 거야. 피터가 할 거야. 제인이 할 거야. 게, 게요. It's just like will. It is used to express future actions decided at the moment of speaking. On the other hand, 거야, 거예요 is just like be going to. It is used to imply future plans or intentions decided before the moment of speaking. For example, 할게, 할 거야. 갈게, 갈 거야. 먹을게, 먹을 거야. 만들게, 만들 거야. 전화할게, 전화할 거야. But the meanings are still slightly different, depending on whether or not I or we are mentioned. With I is the focus of the sentence, which means you are the one who do the action. Without I, action is the focus of the sentence, which means what you are going to do is your promise or will. For example, if someone asks, will anyone clean the bathroom? You can say, 내가 할게, 제가 할게요. Because the focus is you. But if someone asks, will you clean the bathroom? You can say, 응, 할게. 네, 할게요. Because the focus is whether or not cleaning will be done. That's why you can also say, 내일 할게. 내일 할게요. Will anyone go to supermarket? 내가 갈게. 제가 갈게요. Will you go to supermarket? 응, 갈게. 네, 갈게요. 오, 이따가 갈게. 이따가 갈게요. Will anyone eat the salad? 내가 먹을게. 제가 먹을게요. Will you eat the salad? 응, 먹을게. 네, 먹을게요. 오, 이따가 먹을게. 이따가 먹을게요. Will anyone make birthday cake? 내가 만들게. 제가 만들게요. Will you make birthday cake? 응, 만들게. 네, 만들게요. 오, 내일 만들게. 내일 만들게요. Will anyone call me? 내가 전화할게. 제가 전화 드릴게요. Will you call me? 응, 전화할게. 네, 전화 드릴게요. 오, 내일 전화할게. 내일 전화 드릴게요. Same thing happens with 거야, 거예요. If someone asks, is anyone going to clean the bathroom? You can say, 내가 할 거야. 제가 할 거예요. Because the focus is you. But if the question is, are you going to clean the bathroom? You can say, 응, 할 거야. 네, 할 거예요. Because the focus is whether or not cleaning is going to be done. That's why you can also say, 내일 할 거야. 내일 할 거예요. Is anyone going to go to supermarket? 내가 갈 거야. 제가 갈 거예요. Are you going to go to supermarket? 응, 갈 거야. 네, 갈 거예요. 오, 이따가 갈 거야. 이따가 갈 거예요. Is anyone going to eat the salad? 내가 먹을 거야. 제가 먹을 거예요. Are you going to eat the salad? 응, 먹을 거야. 네, 먹을 거예요. 오, 이따가 먹을 거야. 이따가 먹을 거예요. Is anyone going to make birthday cake? 내가 만들 거야. 제가 만들 거예요. Are you going to make birthday cake? 응, 만들 거야. 네, 만들 거예요. 오, 내일 만들 거야. 내일 만들 거예요. Is anyone going to call me? 내가 전화할 거야. 제가 전화 드릴 거예요. Are you going to call me? 응, 전화할 거야. 네, 전화 드릴 거예요. 오, 내일 전화할 거야. 내일 전화 드릴 거예요. 거야, 거예요. are used to express a prediction based on present evidence. But 개요 don't have that function. 내일 비가 올 거야. 곧 어두워질 거야. 땡땡팀이 이길 거야. 빨래가 빨리 마를 거야. 올해는 꽃이 빨리 필 거야. 제가 먹을게요. 제가 받을게요. 내가 닫을게. 일어날 거야. 맑을 거예요. Remember, you can find more exercises on Patreon. Join me again next time. See you soon. Bye.